how to change the font size and font style in a PDF document. So if you have a PDF file and you want to change the font size or even use a different font style, then I'm going to show you a free way to do it. First, open your web browser and go to Google. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account. Now click on the Google Apps icon in the top right corner. From the list of apps, select Google Drive. Once Google Drive opens, click on New in the top left corner. Then select File Upload. Choose the PDF document you want to edit and click Open. Wait for the file to finish uploading. Once the upload is complete, locate the PDF file in Google Drive and double-click to open it. Now click Open With at the top and select Google Docs. Google Docs will convert the PDF into an editable document. Once the document opens, select the text that you want to edit. To change the font size, use the font size box at the top toolbar and choose a larger or smaller size. If you want to change the font style, click on the font name drop-down menu and select a different font from the list. You can repeat this process for any text in the document. Make any additional edits you want. When you're finished, click on File, then select Download. Choose PDF document from the list. Google Docs will create a new PDF file with your updated font size and font style. You can then find the edited PDF in your Downloads folder. And that's how to change the font size and font style in a PDF document for free. If you found this guide helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribing for more PDF tutorials and tips.